Recently, Heavy Reading surveyed nearly 50 operators on how they would like to charge for data services. The survey population was made up of a good cross-section of all operator types from every region of the world. The results from the first survey questions were not totally unexpected, as most operators recognize that as the demand for broadband explodes, they need a new way to monetize advanced data services that goes beyond the flat rate plans many are using today. This admission that flat rate unlimited quota plans are pinching margins as data usage explodes is closely aligned with what our research at Heavy Reading have been observing over the past few years. What I found more interesting is that the survey respondents expressed a clear preference to move towards plans I would categorize as being customer-centric. Just look at the actual results. Here we see that a clear majority recognized that a flat rate monthly fee for unlimited high-speed broadband service is not a sustainable business model. And while cable and wireline operators were fairly evenly split on the question, the overall result was dominated by the strong preference shown by wireless operators for evolving beyond flat rates. This makes sense, as wireless operators dealing with explosion of data-hungry smartphones, advent of tablets, newer devices which are all bandwidth-hungry, but at the same time constrained by the huge amount of cash required for them to buy spectrum at auctions. So what comes next after flat rates? Wireless operators say they intend to be more customer-centric, or at the least, be more customer-aware, so that users can choose among plans designed around the type and amount of data services they consume. Let's look at some good examples. Maybe there could be plan tailored to the online gaming experience for gamers, or a social package that comes with Facebook applications preloaded and updating status doesn't count against the data quotas. The preferred option for moving beyond flat rate are to offer tiered usage packages or plans that charge a premium for higher quality of service. Looks like operators are planning to do the right thing, give customers what they want and ask them to pay accordingly. And what do service providers think users want? We asked them what was needed to increase adoption of data services. Wireless operators believe prospective subscribers want usage and spend thresholds, and the choice to limit the spend on individual services by selecting to pay for those services from a prepaid balance. The takeaway is that all users, even postpaid subscribers, want spending controls that are real-time, automated, and proactive. Hence, to summarize the survey learnings, operators, particularly those involved with mobile broadband, have realized flat rate plans are not the best way to monetize data services. Secondly, customer-centric plans that allow users to choose the package that suits their data needs deliver a win-win situation. Users want real-time controls on their spend and prefer automated mechanisms that alarm or even throttle services where a passive usage needed. Service providers are looking beyond flat rate plans toward pricing that reflects not only what is happening in the network, but also the needs and the desires of the users. Of course, to deliver customer-centric demands, that an operator backend systems must be flexible enough to allow tailored offerings to be easily created and launched. The business support systems, or BSS, must also support a real-time view of every aspect of subscribers' accounts, and that's becoming more and more essential. Increasingly, there needs to be an alignment between BSS and policy management and enforcement to ensure network policies support the promise, which makes such plans attractive to the targeted user segments.